Hi students, and welcome to CIS 138 Image Editing Applications. My name is Chrissy Hughes and I'm your instructor for the course for this term. I look forward to working with you all. This is just an introduction video, just trying to get you familiar with the JetNet course structure so that you feel ease in learning and navigating. Up here is just a little introduction area, shows my office hours and my contact information. Please be sure if you do contact me and you want a swift response that you email me directly at hughescrystal@jccmi.edu. That's always something that is important. I do respond within the course as well, but to get a quicker response, it's always best to do a direct email. The syllabus, that's something that I know each one of you can read, kind of redundant, shows the office hours again. We are textbook zero here. There's no text required for this class, and we are going to be surveying and looking at image editing applications on the web. Some of you are very familiar with that, others have no idea. It is a free app environment. Yes, there are some apps that you might want to purchase, but it is not required to purchase any applications in this course. This course is a 1-credit course. We do honor the mid-semester break, the spring break between March 12th through the 18th, if you were curious. Be sure you're logging on at least 2 to 3 times per week to stay up to date on any additional announcements. It's really important that you check your JC email. There might be some crucial communications that I need to present to you, so be sure that you have access to that and that you're checking in regularly. There's about 600 points in the course. We have exercises. It's a lot of survey and discussion. The discussion occurs in the forums, and you are graded on that, as well as quizzes. We honor our HQV dates, which are January 23rd, February 12th, and March 19th. Be sure that you are being active in the course. If not, I will have to report you due to college policy that you're not interested in the course and you could be dropped from the class. Most of you are aware of that college system. One of the other things is I do have a little course outline. We do start off with a welcome syllabus intro like you're viewing right now, and then we dive into our first web app, and then we talk about it, and then we give feedback. A lot of comparing, contrasting, experiments. We have a project where we, edit some images, and then we do a lot of reflection in this class. Test out the various emerging image editing applications online. And again, they're most freeware. The course structure is the same. You have a unit by unit toggling. You can open Unit 1 and look that we focus on, for the first week, we focus on understanding the cloud, file syncing, and URL overview. These are a series of different sites that we will be comparing and contrasting for the first week. You will then post to the icebreaker and also to this other forum, and then there'll be a quick little test, compare and contrast exercise. Other weeks you'll experience little quizzes, short quizzes, asking you about certain things we might have discussed in the unit. So I just wanted to review this. You always want to start with the Unit 1 instructions to see which unit, what the unit has in store for that time frame. And all work is usually due on Sunday by midnight, and it's revealed Monday morning by 8 a.m. Most likely I will be revealing earlier than that. I don't think I've ever waited that long to reveal your upcoming work. Usually it's Saturday or Sunday of the week, the impending week. So on Saturday I might reveal it. You can work all the way to the following Sunday by midnight. If you have questions, again, let me know. I'm here to help you succeed. So anything I can do to answer questions or work with you, let me know. My late policy is up to 1 week with 20%. After that, it's a 0. So if you have any major life event that occurs, please connect with me. I appreciate communication above all else. So I look forward to working with you. Good luck this term, and I'll see you virtually in the next unit's video.